Okay, I made this tool out of a drill bit size, adequate to fit that right there, and I put it on my low speed drill, and it seems to be working, so I'm going to continue. Well, it was working before because it started to pull it up because it was inside the cavity, and since it was inside the cavity, the cavity was holding the bit in the center, and now that it came up, now it's falling out of the top. Turn it more. It keeps turning, so it's gonna come out. Turning. That's it. Downhill from here. Oops. Okay, I'll make it easier. Now that it's come up a little bit, I am going to swap to this. I'll make a little cut on top, make it to where I can use a regular screwdriver, a flat screwdriver. So here we go. Just needs just a little bit. Alright, well, maybe this will work. Still going with this. Oh yeah, it's coming. Oh yeah, that's a good feeling right there. That's what I built right there. Something simple. Just think of the logic, make it sharper at the tip where it's going to go backwards, and work it up just little by little. If you run into the same situation where one of these bolts breaks on your engine, if you want to replace it, find out the length that you need, which is probably about 3/4 of an inch, but double check that. Don't go past that because you're gonna hit something at the bottom or bottom out, and you won't ever tighten that thing down sufficient. So get the right length, and I got me one that I think it's a 3 1/4, but it's a 3mm. Okay, it's a 3mm. The problem is not just replacing the screw, but that screw, it's a real thin head screw, whereas the one I'm replacing it with has a bigger head. You can tell right there, it has a bigger head, and the problem is that the rockers will hit underneath it, and good thing I double checked that before I tighten it down. The way I thinned it down to make it fit right on there, see that? That's going to be okay. It's I just put it on my drill. I don't have a lathe, so I put it on my drill, and I protected the threads with some tape, and I spin it fast. I can a file and put some pressure on it right here, and it gave me the the size of the head that I need, where it's going to be enough to hold it down and at the same time avoid hitting the rockers. So that's your trick if that happens to you.